As you know, on Mount Sizzle, I usually cook things I have laying around in my fridge. I strongly dislike wasting food and spoilage, also known as dumping cash in the trash. One time I found salad dressing in my refrigerator that was 5 years old, and I thought I just bought it like 2 days ago. Well-aged French dressing. Purchased on May 5th, 2017. I was in a salad mood that day. This miso will probably last a long time, being forgotten in the lower back shelf of my fridge. I don't know, miso is probably good for a decade. Hey, looky there, they're delivering my future home. Affordable, healthy, and good cooking is forbidden to no one. And if you get started, you might find you enjoy it. Stir your pasta pretty vigorously, or you get what's called horsetails. It's when the pasta sticks together and kind of cooks into itself. This is a very simple sauce consisting of butter, shallot, garlic, miso paste, parmesan, 2 cups of reserved pasta water, and frozen peas. Miso is fermented soybean paste, mostly sweet, a little salty. It is easy to overcook shrimp. I've done it before. Cook them until they're just starting to turn opaque. Unless you like seafood flavored rubber super fun balls. Dwing! I had 3 bags of peas in my freezer, each one of them open. Looky there, they're delivering my house.